What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from SeaWorld Orlando for another rumored 2024 roller coaster project construction update. And, well, it was July 4th weekend. It's been busy. And it's still that way today. And I'm going to be hobbling around, doing an update with a broken foot. And we're going to do this. There's a lot of new action on the site. Parking was a breeze. Ticket booths have a little bit of a line, and turnstiles not much of a wait. We should be right through. Pipeline over here looking good. We do have some storms rolling in. It's hot, 98 degrees, feels like it's over 100. Yep, like usual, no wait to get through, and we are on our way. Heading right over to the Sea Lion and Otter Stadium, as that pathway is going to be open. They have a show at 2 o'clock, and it offers some really good views. Sky Tower a little bit later. Pipeline looking good. Rubber bloops over there. And we're heading into the waterfront. Split point, pipeline that way. And over here, we have Sky Tower, which has been in operation, as well as the new coaster being built over here by Empire of the Penguin. And inside here, Arzens Hall, I want to show you something real quick. Alright, so inside here I wanted to point out something. We have pens for pipeline. You can see right there, past member. That's pretty nice. Hard hats. Love that. And then the surfboard. And this thing is really nice. Changes colors, kind of, as you turn it. Has a nice gloss. Pick them up, because they're going quick. Approaching Voyagers, I can already see a big crane-looking thing right here. We have arrived at the Sea Lion and Otter Stadium. Again, that big device over there. And we're going to walk up the pathway over here to get a much better view. Have I mentioned how much I hate hills right now? This isn't fun. But that is. Those were some pretty awesome views. from the Sea Lion Otter Stadium of the construction for that Rumor 2024 roller coaster. I mean, come on, it's pretty much confirmed at this point. And now we're going to get a better view from Sky Tower. And as you can see, those storms are rolling in, so definitely want to do it sooner rather than later. I do have a bit of good news. My fountain has returned, but not at full power. Got my ticket, but heard over the radio it might be down. I hope not.
Welcome aboard the SeaWorld Sky Tower. For the comfort and safety of everyone, we ask that you please remain seated at all times. Thank you. Park guests like you, as well as people across the globe taking action to protect these amazing animals and their habitats. Our teams are on call 24/7, 365 days a year, partnering with multiple government agencies, conservationists, zoological facilities, and others to rescue and help animals in need of our care, always with the goal of rehabilitating them and returning them to the wild.
There's the road center.
How does this view is so nice? Look at all those. Look at all the cars.
Oh my
It's
God.
my dream.
Wait, look for our car. Hang on.
Wait, look for
We're
our
parked right down that road.
I see it.
No, you don't.
There's the sea lions. When did we do that?
Real good at
This is so beautiful. Yeah. Whoa, we're going down. Ah, what's happening?
We're going down.
Look at the rain right there, Ash.
Well,
Yeah.
we're just about...
Look at all those. Look at all the cars, Mom.
Oh my
It's
God.
my dream.
Wait, look for our car. Hang on.
Wait, look for
We're
our
parked right down that road.
I see it.
No, you don't.
There's the sea lions. When did we do that?
Real good at
This is so beautiful. Yeah. Whoa, we're going down. Ah, what's happening? Daddy.
To the east, also across the street from SeaWorld, you'll find Aquatica. Our water park hosts the most water slides in Orlando. This amazing park has Aquatica.
Alright, well that was fun. We just stopped at the top. Interesting. We're going down now though.
I think they're building something new right there, guys.
Yeah.
Rumble, rumble. I hear thunder, and they just shut down Sky Tower, so good timing. Yeah, that's a big one.
Pero vamos a hacer esto.
Work walls over here by Manta and the restrooms, and this little food kiosk. Again, a lot of work going on right over in this area.
It's gonna rain. You hear me?
Unfortunately, no coaster buns over here. I miss them. Storms are coming. Antarctica, Empire of the Penguin area. Again, going to be the home for the new coaster. And I don't think anything new is going to be happening over here right now, but we're still going to check. Nope, nothing new except for the views of all the equipment. Exhibit portion still extremely popular. So yeah, a roller coaster over here would be a good fit, especially if it's a family one. And that's what we're hearing. Again, we reported a long time ago that it could possibly be a straddle coaster. That we said a long time ago was not looking the case anymore. And we were saying possibly you should be looking at B&M. Well, recently it's come out B&M is pretty much confirmed to be the new manufacturer. And as far as their seating assignment and what they're going to do, well, think pipeline possibly, where the seats move up and down, but you're sitting down. So some of the airtime hills on a family style roller coaster may feel a little bit more extreme, a little bit more pops of air, but I'm interested to see if that actually happens. And we'll be covering it the whole way through, of course. And that sky is just getting darker and darker. All the rides are down. Makes a neat backdrop though. And we're going over here the back way to see if there's anything new. We had markings over here, still there, right there. A lot of work over this way.
Look at that bird.
Beautiful exhibit over here by sharks, but I still don't see any animals or wildlife. I'd say we got pretty lucky when it came to storms and seeing all of that work going on for the new coaster in 2024. And how do we repay ourselves? With pink chickens! Good to see them. Take cover, guys. I don't want you to be fried pink chickens. Run! Run, guys. That one was way too close. Run! We have nests over here, but I'm not sticking around for that. Sorry. Gotta go. Well, guys, that's going to do it for our video here from SeaWorld Orlando for the rumored 2024 roller coaster project. Going to be B&M, it looks like. Launch roller coaster possibly with 2 launches, family style, and it's going to have seats that possibly move up and down, similar to Pipeline. But you won't be standing, you'll be sitting down. Of course, we'll have plenty more updates for that and other things going on here at the park. So if you like what we do, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter, Midway Mayhem, and I'll see you out in Midway, guys. This is crazy with all the thunder and lightning. Bye.